Hello guys, welcome to the learning world of robotics with Robonence. Today we are making a simple bell. For the bell, first we require is one buzzer. Buzzer is a device whenever electricity passes through it, it creates sound. This buzzer is having two wires. This red wire will be the positive and this black wire will be the negative. Since we are making a horn which will, when we press a button, it will start honking, and when we again press the button, it will stop. So for this, again we require one on off button. Next thing is to connect all the things, we are using a Crocodile connector. And the last thing, to provide power to our circuit, we are using this battery. We are using AA cell, and we have inserted this AA cell in a 2-cell holder. Remember guys, this red wire of this 2-cell holder will be positive and this black wire of this 2-cell holder will be negative. So let's start making our stem bell. So what we have to do is, first we have to connect the positive end of the buzzer, that is the red one, with the positive end of 2-cell holder. So we have connected the positive end of the buzzer with the positive end of AA cell holder. Now we will connect the negative end of the AA cell holder with one end of the button. So again, let's revise the circuit. The positive end of buzzer will get connected with the help of a crocodile plug to the positive end of 2-cell holder. Now the negative end of the 2-cell holder will get connected to one end of the button. Now the other end of the button, this will get connected to the negative end of the buzzer. Now as you can see, whenever I'll push this button, this buzzer starts creating sound, and whenever I want to stop, I just have to. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed your stem bell, and you can connect with us for more interesting projects like this. We are available on YouTube as Robonence.Innovate. We are also available on Instagram as Robonence Innovate. So do subscribe us, do like us, and keep learning with us. Thank you.